Greetings, distinguished guests, esteemed fellow researchers, and dear colleagues. It's a profound honor and genuine privilege to present before you today at this vital gathering centered on innovation for impact. Our shared presence here speaks to a collective commitment to exploring the tools and ideas that will shape a sustainable, equitable future. And there is perhaps no force more emblematic of our era transformative potential than the subject of our presentation, which is the future of artificial intelligence in education. Today, I have the distinct honor of presenting collaborative research that bridges continents and disciplines. A paper born from a shared conviction that the integration of artificial intelligence into our learning ecosystem is not merely a technological shift, but deeply human, intellectual, and ethical frontier. This work is the product of a truly international partnership, and I'm proud to acknowledge my distinguished co-authors whose expertise and perspectives were indispensable. Number one on my list is Professor Tariq N. Hashem, a full professor of marketing from the Faculty of Business at Applied Science Private University in Amman, Jordan, who brings critical insight into the adoption, perception, and strategic implementation of transformative technologies. Number two is Dr. Kudeep Ballaro from Bharati Viapet Institute of Management Studies and Research in Navi, Mumbai, India, contributing a vital perspective on technological integration within emerging and dynamic educational landscapes. Number three is Dr. Asokon Vasudevan of INTI, International University, Malaysia, whose expertise enriches our understanding of cross-cultural applications and institutional frameworks in higher education. And myself, Sunday Clement from Rochefort Business School in Switzerland, where we continually examine innovation through the lenses of global business practices and sustainable strategy. Now we're looking at the abstract and research intent. Now, let me clearly outline the heart of our research for you today. At its core, our thesis possessed a dual reality, while artificial intelligence actively transforms education by unlocking unprecedented and personalization and elevating teaching quality. Its successful integration is not automatic. It demands our most careful ethical and intellectual consideration. The technological promise is clear as we see AI systems that can dynamically supervise our student performance, provide real-time feedback, and generate truly individualized learning pathways. This powerful functionality is what compels our exploration. However, our central inquiry is not just about celebrating these capabilities. It is to investigate AI expanding role while rigorously addressing the profound obstacles it presents. Specifically, the critical areas of data privacy, algorithmic fairness, and ethics of deployment itself. This leads us to our most critical findings, that AI is not a replacement, but a formidable collaborative tool, one with the capacity to invigorate students' creativity and magnify learning possibilities in ways we are only beginning to imagine. Yet, that positive future is conditional. Its potential will only be fully safely realized if its application is continually guided by essential human mentorship and bounded by robust principle ethical frameworks. By way of introduction and theoretical framework foundation, to provide a clear understanding of our research foundation, let us begin by outlining its core objectives and theoretical underpinnings. To provide a clear understanding of our research foundation, let us begin by outlining its core objectives and theoretical underpinnings. Our primary objective is to conduct a multidimensional analysis of artificial intelligence emergence role in education, examine it not only through a technical lens, but through the equally critical perspective of pedagogy and ethics. We proceed from a fundamental conviction that for AI to be truly beneficial, it must be thoughtfully integrated into a long continuum of educational history. It should act as a natural extension of proven intellectual principles, not as a separate or contradictory force. This integration is powerfully demonstrated through the lens of constructivist theory. Our work persists that advanced AI systems operationalize applies the foundational ideas of thinkers like Piaget and Vygotsky by constructing dynamic smart learning environments. These environments intelligently adapt, modifying tasks, difficulty, and redefining feedbacks in real time to provide tailored support that meets each learner's precisely within their zone of proximal development. The practical mechanism for this, as explored in our research, is embodied in intelligent tutoring systems. This sophisticated system work by continuously modeling a student's unique responses and knowledge states, thereby enabling the delivery of highly personalized feature-tailored guidance and support. Building on the principle that effectively personalization is rooted in learning, analytics, and continuous feedback, AI serves as an engine that translates theory into action. By analyzing vast streams of student performance and behavioral data, these systems can identify subtle patterns of struggle, forecast where a student is headed, and crucially recommend a unique adaptive learning pathway for each individual. This represents a profound evolution. We are moving beyond merely describing what has already happened by predicting student needs and prescribing precise interventions. The ultimate outcome is an empowered teacher. With this AI-driven insight, educators can make more informed, efficient instructional decisions, ensuring that their time and resources are directed exactly where they are needed the most. A key mechanism making this principle is the intelligent tutoring system, which carefully models a student-specific response to deliver help that is meticulously tailored to their immediate cognitive needs, creating a truly responsive and supportive digital learning environment. To anchor our understanding of AI creative potential in the classroom, we turn to Margaret Boden's foundational theory of computational creativity. Boden identifies three core processes: combinational, exploratory, and transformational, through which novel ideas can be generated. This is precisely the engine behind today's generative AI. From large language models to image generators, these tools are not merely parroting information, they are executing these creative processes, producing novel content, be it a story premise, a musical motif, or a visual concept that students can then engage with, adapt, and build upon. Empirically, the impact is promising. Research indicates that when students use these AI tools as creative partners, we see measurable enhancements in their fluency and originality of their written work, the narratives and designs. However, this powerful collaboration demands a critical oversight. We must be cautious of the risks, such as homogenization of creative styles or an over-reliance on algorithmically suggested output. Furthermore, it compels us to confront profound new questions about intellectual ownership, authenticity, and asking not just what our students can create with AI, but what it means to create at all in this new paradigm. In navigating the integration of AI into education, we must be guided by core ethical principles: fairness, transparency, accountability, and explainability, all while safeguarding the fundamental rights of every learner. These principles are essential because the risks we face are not hypothetical. They are pressing realities, from algorithmic bias rooted in representative data that can deepen existing inequalities to serious privacy violations involving the sensitive personal data of students. Equally troubling is the black box problem, where decisions are made without clarity, eroding trust and understanding. The solution, therefore, cannot be purely technological. It must be deeply human. As emphasized by scholars like Crayford, we require a learner-centric AI framework that deliberately and unambiguously keep human wisdom, oversight, and judgment at the very center of the educational process. The promise of AI in education is one of the profound equity, offering multimodal content and adaptive pacing to serve students with special needs, thereby personalizing learning at an unprecedented scale. However, this promise is shadowed by a significant peril. The existing digital divide threatens to deepen socioeconomic inequalities, as under-resourced schools may be left behind without access to quality AI tools. This reality underscores our technology alone is not a panacea. In this new landscape, the teacher's role is fundamentally transformed, shifting from a primary transmitter of knowledge to essentially a guide, a mentor, and a project manager who curate the learning journey. For this transformation to succeed, teacher acceptance is paramount, hinging on their perception of AI usefulness and ease of use. Therefore, a critical prerequisite for a successful future is the implementation of robust AI literacy programs designed to empower educators as confident and ethical decision makers at the heart of this AI augmented classroom. One of AI's most profound impacts in education is its ability to move beyond the one-size-fits-all classroom. It tailors instructions to the individual, diagnoses learning gaps with precision, and provides the targeted help a student needs, often leading to superior outcomes compared to traditional methods. The transformation extends to assessments, where natural language processing can offer detailed, actionable feedback on a student's writing, accelerating the cycle of drafting feedback and improvement. Yet this power must be guided. While AI can act as a dynamic creative companion, expanding a student's imaginative possibilities, it also carries the risk of producing homogenized work, making the teacher's guidance in its ethical use more crucial than ever. This brings us to the non-negotiable foundation. Ethics, issues of student privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparent data use are paramount, demanding clear regulatory framework. Ultimately, this research reaffirms that AI restructures but never replaces the irreplaceable human educator. The teacher's role evolves into its highest form, that a guide, mentoring critical thinking, nurturing authentic creativity, and overseeing the ethical application of technology to truly empower the learners of tomorrow. In conclusion, our research reaffirms that artificial intelligence is a definitive and transformative force in the future of education, one that offers unparalleled tools for personalization and efficiency. However, our final argument is clear. The promise of this future will only be realized through symbiotic collaboration. This means thoughtfully using AI to enhance learning while staunchly preserving the irreplaceable human essence at the heart of education. Our ultimate goal, therefore, is not to replace teachers, but to deploy AI as a supportive tool, one that aligns with our core educational values, maintain trust, and above all, amplifies rather than diminish human potential. Thank you for your kind attention. I'm happy to take questions now.